Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Chainlink from Bitrue to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink link tokens for better security or easier access, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transfers are irreversible. First things first, let's cover the prerequisites. You'll need a verified Bitrue account with some Chainlink tokens, the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone or device, and a basic understanding of blockchain networks. In 2025, expect enhanced security features like multi-factor authentication, so make sure that's enabled on both platforms. Step 1. Open the Bitrue app or website and log into your account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section to locate your Chainlink tokens. Double-click on Chainlink to view your balance. Step 2. Navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Here, you'll select Chainlink from the drop-down menu. Now, switch to your Trust Wallet app. Go to the Chainlink wallet address. Remember, in 2025, Trust Wallet might have upgraded to quicker QR code scanning for easier copying. Step 3. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but leave a little extra for network fees, which could be lower in 2025 due to improved blockchain tech. Select the correct network, probably Ethereum for Chainlink, and review everything carefully. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or in-app notification. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Once it's done, open Trust Wallet and refresh your Chainlink balance to see the tokens arrive. If you run into issues, like a pending status, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction details. And there you have it. Your Chainlink is now safely in Trust Wallet. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and stay updated on crypto regulations. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge.